In this video, we'll guide you through how to locate an alarming camera on the map. Begin by opening a layout with a map and an alarm view. Sensor alarms can be triggered by camera's internal analytics, iOS, or any integrated third-party sensor. We'll now cause a virtual alarm for demonstration purposes. New alarm appears to the list of sensor alarms. Right-click on the alarm and select Locate Device on Map. The device causing the alarm is now shown on the map. You can view the camera by connecting it to a display. It is also possible to create alarm scenarios, which connect alarming cameras automatically to clients or video walls video displays. The alarm is now successfully located onto the map. Thank you for watching the video. More videos are available from Teleste.